One of the things that is really different between parallel distributed processing models and conventional ways of thinking about knowledge representation and how we use that in information processing is the way in which we put knowledge or information into the network. In standard ways of thinking, logicians and philosophers and cognitive scientists have imagined that what we know should be sort of written down as though in a book in explicit terminology and notations that we would consult in the course of thinking. In the connectionist approach, the knowledge is actually in the connections. And that's really a very, very surprising and interesting new way of thinking about knowledge for people, because it means that it's actually, the knowledge itself is in some sense completely inaccessible to the thought processes. The knowledge is what guides the thinking, but not what you actually look at as you think. So the connections among neurons cannot be inspected. They can't be read out or interpreted for somebody else. They can only influence how one neuron activates another. And in the same way, the knowledge in our connectionist simulations allows us to know that what we're looking at is a particular word, and to use information from other letters to infer the identity of a particular letter, but it's not explicitly available as such. And so that's a real clear difference between the connectionist representation of knowledge and the traditional approach to knowledge representation.